We're going to multiply binomials in this exercise. We have 3b plus 5 times b minus 3. And to do this multiplication, we're going to use the method that we call FOIL. And this means that first we're going to multiply the first two terms of each binomial, then the two outside terms, then the two inside terms, and finally the last two terms of each binomial. So let's go ahead and do that. When we multiply the first two terms, we have 3b times b, which is 3b squared. The two outside terms give us 3b times negative 3, which is negative 9b. The product of the two inside terms is 5 times b, or 5b. And finally, the product of the last two terms of each binomial gives us 5 times negative 3, or negative 15. And now we need to look and see if we can collect like terms. And we can do that. Negative 9b and 5b can be collected. So we have 3b squared minus 4b minus 15 for the product.